Good afternoon. Today we have started for the morphological identification of arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi in the Department of Environmental Science at Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Agricultural University in Bangladesh. For the morphological study of AMA, we have collected sample from the germplasm center of BSMRAU. First, we followed a method for the collection of spore from the soil sample. As you see on the screen, these are the mycorrhizal spore. First, we put sample on the wash glass. Then we need to prepare a slide. What we have to do, as you know that we used needle with the glycerin for the collection of spore from the wash glass. Then we collected spore from the wash glass for the preparation of slide. So as you see on the computer screen, these are the spore of arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi. So these are the visible on the wash glass. On the wash glass. Now we are preparing a slide. How we'll make a slide? We need to follow a special method. We are collecting spore using a needle. Then we put it on the slide, and we used here Melzar's reagent. Then we put a cover slip on the slide. So as you we see on the computer screen, these are the mycorrhizal spore. Then we made a press on the cover slip. All spore are broken. That means these are the mycorrhizal fungi already we identified. For further study, we need to extract DNA for molecular identification. For morphological identification, these are okay. Thank you very much for staying with me.